You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear how to pronounce the name of this vehicle, French, from French brand Renault. If you want to learn more car names, stay tuned. So we need to learn the French pronunciation and then how you can mimic that in English. Renault is how you say the name of the brand. Symbioz, Symbioz, meaning symbiosis. So in English, Symbioz, Symbioz, Renault Symbioz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.